Let's move on to another hot topic. Financial lobby group Market Forces is accusing 5 of Australia's biggest super funds of greenwashing by not doing enough to rein in major fossil fuel companies. This is the problem, right, Graham? This is despite the funds being publicly aligned with the Paris Agreement on climate change. Graham, why are super funds, look, unless they promote themselves as being very, green friendly, why are super funds getting into all of this anyway? Isn't the only job of a super fund to try get the biggest return for people for when they retire?
Yeah, well, what you've seen is that the fossil fuel interests have been giving the biggest return, and that's why these investment funds are into it. This is the mess, really, that the energy market is in. We've got external pressures saying, look, we have to delegitimise, if you like, the fossil fuel investments, which makes it difficult for them to operate without something coming in to replace it, even though that might be everyone's ambition. Pouncing on the super funds is, good sort of student politics for some people, but it's really not helping the main situation we have, which is security of power and reasonable prices.
Yeah, what do you think about this, Christy?
Look, first of all, Market Forces, I admire their attempt at gaining legitimacy in the public debate, but it was founded by someone who is a self-proclaimed Greenpeace activist and climate change campaigner with Greenpeace. So that's where this polling and this information has come from, and this activity. Of course, super funds have a responsibility, the one and only responsibility, to their shareholders, and the top 10 highest performing stocks last year, 7 or 8 of them were fossil fuel companies: Woodside, Whitehaven Coal, Minerals Resources here in Western Australia. I could go on. Very, very, very little chance of superannuation funds acting responsibly if they ignore them.